Technician. Welcome to the installation video of the Enovate's single wall box. This video will guide you through the installation of the single wall box. For a successful installation, you need the following tools. You can find these tools in the installation manual. Before you begin, check that you have all the tools on hand. Ask your customer to get the power cable ready, and to use the appropriate safety components compliant with local regulations. Know that you can connect to the charger via Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or data traffic. If your customer chooses an Ethernet connection, it is essential to have the Ethernet cable ready. For a Wi-Fi connection, ask for the SSID login and password at the start of the installation. You can make a data traffic connection via 4G. Finally, you need a SIM card, login, and password. Once you know all that, you can install the single wall box. We start by mounting the wall bracket. As determined by European law and with the standard cable length of the charging cable in mind, you will place the wall bracket at a height between 104 and 114 centimeters. You also need at least 30 centimeters of free space around the charging station. Let's start with the installation of the wall bracket. Hold it in place on the wall and drill 3 8mm holes. Fill these with 8mm plugs of diameter M6. The included plugs are meant for a concrete or stone wall. The installer should provide the correct plugs. Then hold the wall bracket in place and fix it to the wall with 3 6x30 screws. Now consider how you will connect the power cable to the electric charger. Will your cable come out of the wall and go directly through the wall bracket to the charger? Then it's essential to calculate the correct height of the wall bracket in advance so that the power cable comes out of the wall at the right height. This height is usually 44 centimeters or the maximum height of 114 centimeters minus 70 centimeters. When the power cable comes out of the floor, the opening at the bottom of the wall bracket must connect the line to the electric charger. Next, we attach the cable block to the wall bracket. First, remove the tensile protection bridge from the cable block. Then you can attach it to the wall bracket with 2 M5 screws. Now guide the Ethernet cable through the white grommet and staple the RJ45 connector to the Ethernet cable. Do that with the accompanying cable pliers. Then dismantle the outer cable of the power cable over a length of 16 centimeters and push it through the black grommet of the wall bracket. Only then can you dismantle the individual threads over 1.8 centimeters. Don't do that before, so you don't damage anything. When finished, you'll attach the charger to the wall bracket. First, pull the network cable and then the power cable through the bottom opening. Then slide the charger into place with a downward motion. When it is properly seated, secure it with the 2 M6x14 screws. And also, reattach the tensile protection bridge. Finally, screw it on so that it is fixed to the outer sheath of the power cable. Know that it should be at least 1 centimeter inside the charger's cover. Placing the charger on a pole is also possible. Again, you can find the steps for this in the manual. Now you can move on to connecting the power cables. 3 connections are possible: single phase and 3-phase with or without neuter. Now, these should be connected as follows. Single phase, brown cable on L1, blue cable on neuter, yellow-green cable to ground. 3-phase with neuter, brown cable on L1, black cable on L2, gray cable on L3, blue cable on neutral, the yellow-green cable on the ground. 3 phases without neutral, brown cable on neuter, black cable on L1, yellow-green cable to the ground, tape off the gray cable. If your customer has a standalone charger, connect the Ethernet cable to the top Ethernet port. Then secure it with 2 tie wraps in the slots provided. We are almost at the end of the installation. You now mount the cover on the electric charger. You do this with the 4 M5x14 screws. It is best to start with the top screws at the level of the connector, and then continue at the bottom with a screwdriver with a torque of 3 Newton meters. Finally, attach the socket lid by placing it diagonally on the charger. Press it down and turn it clockwise until it clicks into place. Next, open the socket lid and secure it to the frame with the included M4x8 screws. Then turn on the circuit breaker, and your charger will boot up. So, the hardware installation of the single wall box is complete here. Congratulations, your charging station is now installed. To ensure a smooth setup and operation, you can now use ENO, our intuitive 5-step tool for easy configuration. For a detailed step-by-step guide, check out our full instruction video, or refer to the official ENO guideline. Thank you for choosing Enovates.